Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Let's learn vocabulary with the help of opposites. Don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin.
The fan is over my head. I am under the chair. I am pushing Pari. I am pulling Angel. Don't make noise. Keep silence. These sums are very difficult. These sums are very easy. Sit down. Stand up. My lunch box is closed. My lunch box is open. The marker pen is inside the box. Marker pen is outside the box. Today's temperature is very high. Yesterday's temperature was very low. This is thick. This is thin. My hair is short. My hair is long. This is curved. This is straight. I have many books. I have few books. This is clean. This is dirty. This is hard. This is soft. This is smooth. This is rough. This is old. This is new. This is top. This is bottom. I am tall. I am short. I am in. I am out.
This way you can enhance your vocabulary. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon.